Hello everyone, my name is Jason. Today I'm going to show you two interesting topics. It's about the deep research. It's written in Typescript. And later on, I'm going to show you this tool. Open Deep Search is written in Python. It's converting from the node.js version, TypeScript version, to the Python version. So let's do the first one. So first, we clone the repository. Go to here, git clone. Then it's cloning. And then let's see what it says. So node.js clone repository install dependency. I already installed the node and npm. So let's do the node version. It's 22.14.0 and then npm dash version. This is 10.92.2. Okay, let's go to the deep research. Then let's do npm install. Okay, it's finished. And then we need to modify the Firecrawl key and OpenAI key, and especially for the OpenAI model. So we are going to use modify these three elements. So first, let's copy the .env .example to .env .local. Then modify the env .local. So there is a firewall key. So where do we get this key? We go to the Firecrawl, and then let's say need another API key, at least for demo purpose. So I'm going to create an API key, and later I'm going to destroy it, remove it. So let's say this is deep research. We create, and then we copy the code. Not this one, but this one, deep research. So let's go here, and then I'm going to paste the key. Ctrl+Shift+V. Okay, it's here. And then there's an OpenAI key. Let's go to the OpenAI and then create a project. We call this Deep Research. Then we create it. Okay, then where's the API keys? So I'm going to create a new secret key. Deep Research. And then select project. Deep Research. And create secret key. Then copy it. Then we go here. Ctrl+Shift+V. Okay, it's here. And then another thing I want to do is that I need to modify this OpenAI model. So let's see the limit. So we can use this one. I'm going to use the expensive one, GPT-4o. With the OpenAI Deep Research, it's using 03 mini, but we couldn't see it here. So instead, I use GPT-4o. GPT-4o. Then I'm going to remove it. Let's see. cat.env.local. env.local. So we have Firecrawl key, we have OpenAI key, and then we have OpenAI model. So it looks okay. So the next thing we can do, install and then npm start. Let's do npm start. What would you like to research? I want to research AI topics. Enter the research breadth. So let's use the default 4. And then enter the research depth. Let's use the default 2. And it's creating research plan. Are you interested in a specific area of AI? Let's do this finance. Would you like to explore recent advanced or focus on ethical? I want to do the recent advancement. I'm looking for information on AI research methodology. I want the implementation. And then it's running research with the progress. There's query and there's a research goal, etc. Rate limit reach. Yeah, because it's using a Firecrawl. There's error, but anyhow, it's running. Still running. Let's see the output. Workspace, deep research, and there's the output. The report has been saved to output.md. So let's open this one. Automatize edit. So let's see if we can edit, select all, edit, copy. And then let's go to Markdown online. And so let's do this. Control A, Control V. So we can see that the recent advance in financial fraud detection implementation strategy. And here is the sources. So okay, the first part is finished. I use the Typescript version of this. And the second thing I want to do is using this repo, Open Deep Research. Oh, sorry, Open Deep Search. The easy way is to use this one, peeping stone. So let's go here. Okay, cd workspace. Let's make a directory. I'm going to do this with deep search. Cd deep search. Now we are going to do peeping stone, but before that, we need to create a Vim. venv and dot venv, and then we source dot venv being activate. It's source. Okay, then now let's check. Okay, it's 0.1.6. So let's do the pip install 0.1.6. And do the deep search. How would you like to research AI topics? I use the default one for breadth and depth too. Creating research plan. Special AI research. I'm interested in. Okay, let's try ethical considerations. Are you looking for information content? Yes, cutting edge technologies. A particular telephone or geographical. I'm looking for Taiwan. I'm studying research with progress. Okay, it's running. This is the ethical consideration. From two contents. Okay, so just goes. From two contents. Okay, searching. So showing the topic and then search the new URLs. Okay, searching. So it's find the new URLs and then read the document, especially in document markdown format. And the number 4. Taiwan's regulatory approach to ethical change in innovation. It's writing final report. Okay, report has been saved. So let's go to deep search. Then here is the markdown text editor. Let's copy. Select all. Copy. And let's go here. The markdown. Select all. Delete. And then paste it. Okay, final report on AI governance and development in Taiwan. Introduction, regulatory frameworks, blah 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 blah. Challenges and recommendations, sources. Okay, that's all my demo about the deep research by Typescript version and also the Python version. Actually, we just use the pip install 0.1.6. Okay, that's all for my today. Thank you very much. Bye bye.